Hi everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, where we create some of the most innovative and easy to use Excel tools out there. Today, I want to show you a tool that solves a common problem, finding the central location between multiple addresses. Whether you're organizing a meeting, setting up a new office, or just trying to figure out the most convenient spot for everyone, this tool can make it super easy. So here's the deal. This tool combines the power of Excel with Google Maps. You don't need to install anything fancy. It's all built right into Excel. Using the Google Maps API and some smart coding we've developed, it works with any lists of addresses, no matter where they are in the world, to calculate the exact central point. Getting started is simple. First, download the tool using the link in the description. Once you have it, paste your list of addresses into the spreadsheet. Your list can have just a few addresses or even hundreds. The tool can handle it all. The next step is to set up a Google Maps API key, which is easy to do with the instructions I've included. After that, just hit the Calculate button, and the tool will do the rest. In seconds, it calculates the central location for your addresses and gives you two results: the latitude and the longitude coordinates and the full address. This makes it easy to find the exact spot or share it with others. In this example, I used 32 addresses around Kissimmee, Florida. The tool quickly found the central point, mapped it out, and even displayed all the other addresses on the map. You can instantly see where everything is located and how it all connects. This tool is super flexible. It works with addresses from anywhere in the world, and because it's built into Excel, there's no additional software to install. It's perfect if you're looking to save time and effort while making sure your location decisions are as efficient as possible. We've been helping people like you for over 16 years, and more than 7,500 customers use our tools every day to make their lives easier. I hear from users all the time. Emails come in every week about how much time they've saved and how this tool has simplified their workflow. We're also really proud to have over 125 five-star reviews on Google from happy customers who love how easy and reliable our tools are. If you're ready to try it out, click the link in the description and download the tool. If you have any questions or need help, just reach out. Whether it's via email, phone, or live chat, I'm here to help. No answering machines, no bots, just real help when you need it. You'll be speaking or chatting directly with Vinny, the mastermind of Excel distance calculators. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this tool makes a big difference in your work. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share it with someone who might need it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you next time.